Hi there, this is Brent Hodgson from BrentHodgson.com, and over the next few videos I'll be showing you my process for writing sales copy. Now this is the same process that I've used to generate some seriously successful sales letters, including one that was able to sell over $570,000 worth of product in a 24-hour period. And this is in a market targeted to Australians, and it's also a niche market, so from my accounts that's pretty successful as a sales letter. The first thing that I do when I'm writing a sales letter is I start by gathering together all of the facts and features about whatever it is that I'm selling. So if it's an information product, I'll go through and look at all the information that's being sold in that product and write down as many of the facts and features about that information as I can. Or in the case of a physical product or an electronic product, is what we're selling today, I'll go through and I'll look at all of the features and so forth that the product provides and make a detailed and as complete as possible list as I possibly can compile. And in some cases it may be a little redundant. I might say the same thing over and over, or in a couple of different ways. But the idea is to say these are as many features as possible as I can find about the product. So to begin with, let's take a quick look at the product. The product that I'll be writing a sales letter for is Track.2, and if you wanted to have a look at it, you can go to Track.2. I'll just log out at the moment and read a little bit about it at the moment on the website. It's a Google AdWords tracking tool, which basically what it does, and I'll log in and show you exactly how it works, is it takes the sorry, I'll just need to do the password. It takes the keywords that you're advertising for in Google AdWords and looks at the exact search terms that people are using to find your ads and click on them online. So probably not doing a very good job of explaining this at the moment. So in this case, the bid term, the keywords that this person was advertising for in Google was the keyword web design, and someone did a search for the words web design. In fact, we see 18 people did searches for the word web design and ended up clicking on the ad. So that there is a good example of really good targeted matching in Google AdWords. And we see another one, web page design. The person searched for web page design, got 11 clicks out of that. Here we go. In this case, someone was the client here was advertising for web design, but someone did a search for the words web design Melbourne, and they received 6 clicks as a result. But there are examples of web design keywords here that might not be relevant. So in this case, make a website to go on Google for free. That's probably not so relevant if you're selling websites, because you sort of want people who are willing to pay for the services that you provide. So this tells us here that we might want to use the word free, or in this case a misspelling of the word free, as a negative keyword in Google, so that, or Google AdWords, so that we don't get those sort of clicks in the future. And in this case, here we go, Marketing Melbourne. These people provide internet marketing advice and services. Melbourne Marketing Focus Groups. Probably focus groups would be a really good negative keyword. And here we go, we've got a misspelling of the word design, a web page. You might want to put this misspelling into your Google AdWords campaign so that you could get cheaper clicks on that misspelling. I'll just find some more examples, just 1 or 2 more. Here we go. This is an example of Google's broad matching really not working very well. We're advertising for the keyword web design, and we get a click for food menu cover page design. Not really relevant. So, and here's another free keyword. So that's something that would be a bad keyword, and we'd look for ways to get rid of or stop our ad being displayed for those sort of keywords. And here we go. Here's a good keyword. We would want to advertise under that. So we'd take that keyword and we'd put it into Google AdWords, and we get cheaper clicks. So I'll just show you a couple more features. We can change the date on this so that we can look at, say, the past day's worth of clicks instead of the past months, and we've got a smaller scroll bar. So we've got much better keywords there. Still some weird ones, and ones that you wouldn't want to advertise for. So Publisher 2007 you probably wouldn't want to advertise for. And over here we see columns for tracking conversions, which this website doesn't have up at the moment. But we can track the leads and the dollar value of those leads, the sign-ups, the number of them and the dollar value of them, purchases, key page views, other, and total. The same options that you have in Google AdWords to track, pardon me, can also be tracked in here. So these are some of the features of this software as it stands at the moment, this tracking script as it stands at the moment. What we're going to do is we're going to start writing some of these down and recording them in our fact sheet.